Library.
Library? So that's where your room's gonna be? How many? Oh my god.
Hold on 1 second.
So do you go this door or on the other side or on the back? Where do you go?
Like, entering in?
Yeah. Here pa din sa main entrance?
Yeah, but, if you get dropped off, go over there.
Oh, so that room. So the same as a second grader? Hi! Ano yun? Ayun ang principal. Yung isa as assistant. Assistant yung isa. Assistant. They know you, Kai, ha? The assistant principal knows you, ha? You're sikat, ha? Ayan. Nagagalit. Okay! Excited. This is where you're gonna be. Oh, this is okay. You wanna go in? Go in.
Did you have a good summer? Thank you. Sorry, Mom. Oh, there she is. How are you? Good. How are you? Great. What do you have? I forgot. We're gonna have a good time. Thank you. Hi. How are you?
I'm
Miss
good.
Ella?
Hello.
Hello,
Kylie. It's Kylie.
Kylie. Okay, Kylie. Yeah, I think your desk is somewhere back here.
Let's find out.
Right here, Kylie. There's a
Oh.
few things, Mom, that we're going
Do they
to
get
take.
to take it home?
Yes.
Or,
So I have a list.
hello. Dati oo. Ngayon, siguro ano lang. Ilalagay na lang as they go. Okay. So this is where the teacher would be, right? This is her teacher, Miss Avila. Or Mrs. Avila. Mrs. Avila.
I like the ceiling.
What?